Hello, my dear. Let's talk about used to plus ing. Let's talk about used to plus ing. If I say, if I say, I am used to uploading videos. If I say, I'm used to uploading videos, my dear, what do you mean? What do I mean? What do you understand from the sentence? I'm used to uploading videos. It means I'm habituated to upload videos. I'm habituated to upload videos. I often do that, it means. So as you have already guessed, today's topic is used to plus ing. Let me clarify the same thing. Let me explain the same thing by giving examples or by asking questions and answering those questions. I'm going to start it with the heading there. Continue the remarks below with the sentence using used not in the bracket used to plus ing. Using not used to plus ing. So let's talk about the basic structure here. How to use used to plus ing? The basic structure for using used to plus ing is subject plus be verb. That means is mr, not was were, my dear. Is mr. Among these three words, you can use one plus not, that is optional. If you want to write negative sentence, you can use not plus used to plus ing is compulsory in all the sentence. Used to plus ing. Here ing denotes being, having, or any kind of verb form. Being, having, or any kind of verb form. The first one you can see here. I'll tell you the questions and answer those questions as well, so that you'll get knowledge, more knowledge there. She was quite surprised when I gave her some flowers. Why did she do that? Why was she surprised? She was quite surprised when I gave her some flowers. My dear, you can answer this question as she is not used to getting flowers. Yes, she, the subject, is mr, not, that is optional. Used to plus ing, getting is used as ing, and flowers. She isn't used to getting flowers. That's why she was quite surprised when I gave her some flowers there. So option B there. It's quite hard work doing all my washing and cleaning. It's quite hard work doing all my washing and cleaning. My dear, you can guess the subject there. Yes, we have to write I as the subject, so that with I we have to use M. And I'm not used to doing washing and cleaning. That's why it's quite hard work for me to do that washing and cleaning. In this point, my dear, you can write there, I'm not used to washing and cleaning as well. But this is also right, that I'm not used to doing washing and cleaning. So option C there. He won't mind if you stare at him. He won't mind if you stare at him. So it means he's used to being stared at. Number D, the traffic doesn't wake him up at night. You can say he's used to sleeping in the street. And E, I get a bit lonely sometime now that she has gone. You can say I'm not used to living without her. So you can analyze this sentence and find out the possible answer yourself. So my dear, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe it. Click the like button, click the red button, subscribe the channel, and click the all notification as well, so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.